Consumer awareness and financial rights. Empowering young leaders to make informed decisions and protect themselves and their communities. Introduction. In a world flooded with products, services, advertisements, and digital platforms, being a consumer has become both exciting and challenging. Every day, young people make hundreds of financial decisions such as buying groceries, paying for transport, subscribing to apps, or purchasing goods online. Each decision carries the potential to either strengthen financial stability or create financial stress. Understanding consumer rights and cultivating consumer awareness is critical for young people aged 18 to 35. Not only does it protect individuals from fraud, scams, and exploitative practices, but it also empowers them to make informed choices that enhance economic growth and social responsibility. For future financial literacy leaders, teaching these principles in schools and communities ensures that young students learn early how to protect themselves and become responsible financial citizens. Section 1. What is consumer awareness? Consumer awareness is the knowledge, understanding, and attitude of consumers regarding their rights, responsibilities, and the quality of goods and services they consume. 1.1 Importance of consumer awareness. Avoiding fraud and scams, educated consumers are less likely to fall victim to financial fraud. Making informed decisions, awareness enables evaluation of quality, price, and reliability before purchasing. Maximizing value, knowing how to compare products ensures consumers get the best deal. Promoting ethical business practices, awareness encourages companies to maintain high standards. 1.2 Key areas of consumer awareness. Understanding pricing and quality. Recognizing false advertising. Knowing the ethical responsibilities of businesses. Awareness of digital transactions and online risks. Section 2. Understanding your consumer rights. Every consumer, no matter their age or location, has rights that protect them in the marketplace. These rights are sometimes enshrined in national laws, international conventions, or consumer protection regulations. 2.1 Common consumer rights. Right to safety, protection from products and services that are hazardous. Example, food safety regulations, certified electrical appliances. Right to information, access to clear and accurate information about products or services. Example, labels with ingredients, expiry dates, pricing, terms, and conditions. Right to choose, access to a variety of products and services at competitive prices. Right to be heard, ability to complain and have concerns addressed. Example, feedback platforms, consumer courts, or regulatory agencies. Right to redress, compensation for faulty goods, poor services, or fraud. Right to consumer education. The right to acquire knowledge and skills for informed financial decisions. 2.2 Why rights matter for young people. Prevent financial losses due to poor decisions. Encourage accountability among businesses. Promote ethical consumption habits. Build confidence when dealing with banks, fintech, and markets. Section 3. Recognizing common consumer issues. Young people often face specific challenges when navigating the market. 3.1 Fraud and scams. Online scams, fake websites, phishing emails, social media scams. Mobile money fraud, unauthorized transfers, SIM swap scams. Fake products, counterfeit electronics, medicines, or clothing. 3.2 Misleading advertising. Ads may exaggerate product benefits or hide important information. Comparison shopping and reading reviews helps detect false claims. 3.3 Unfair terms and conditions. Loan agreements, subscriptions, or contracts may include hidden fees or penalties. Young people must carefully read terms before agreeing. 3.4 Poor quality goods or services. Products may not meet safety or performance standards. Reporting issues is key to improving standards and protecting others. Section 4. Tools for consumer protection. Young people can actively protect themselves using a range of tools. 4.1 Research before buying. Compare prices, read product reviews, and ask for recommendations. Understand warranties, guarantees, and refund policies. 4.2 Documentation. Keep receipts, invoices, and contracts for all purchases. Digital copies are also useful for online transactions. 4.3 Reporting and feedback. Report fraud to consumer protection agencies, banks, or online platforms. Provide feedback to businesses to improve transparency. 4.4 Financial literacy apps. Apps that track spending, identify scams, and educate on consumer rights. Examples: Truebill, Mint, or regional financial literacy apps. Section 5. Consumer awareness in the digital age. Digitalization has transformed consumption. While online banking, e-commerce, and mobile payments are convenient, they introduce new risks. 5.1 Online shopping risks. Fake websites and counterfeit goods. Non-delivery of paid goods. Hidden charges and subscription traps. Tips to stay safe. Use secure websites with HTTPS. Verify sellers' reviews and ratings. Avoid clicking suspicious links. Monitor bank and mobile money statements regularly. 5.2 Mobile money and digital wallets. Popular among young people globally for sending money, paying bills, and receiving salaries. Risk of phishing, SIM swap scams, and unauthorized access. Safety measures. Never share PINs or OTPs. Enable two-factor authentication. Only transact with trusted recipients. Section 6. Building a culture of ethical consumption. Being a conscious consumer is not just about protecting yourself, it's also about promoting fairness and accountability. 6.1 Principles of ethical consumption. Buy products that meet safety and environmental standards. Support businesses that treat employees fairly. Avoid counterfeit or illegally sourced goods. 6. 2 Role of young leaders. Educate peers and younger students on safe purchasing practices. Promote awareness campaigns in schools about ethical consumption. Advocate for local businesses that adhere to fair trade practices. Section 7. Consumer awareness and financial literacy in schools. Young leaders in coffee clubs play a key role in spreading consumer knowledge. 7.1 Teaching methods. Interactive games simulate buying, budgeting, and detecting scams. Storytelling, share relatable scenarios of safe and unsafe consumer practices. Workshops, invite guest speakers from banks, regulatory agencies, or consumer advocacy groups. 7.2 Sample classroom activity. Activity, spot the scam. Divide students into small groups. Present real-world or hypothetical scenarios, e.g., fake online ads, misleading prices, suspicious mobile transfers. Students discuss how to identify risks and make safe decisions. Groups share solutions and vote on the safest course of action. Section 8. Case studies of young consumers. Case 1. Online shopping scam. Sarah, a 21-year-old student, ordered headphones from a website claiming huge discounts. After payment, the product never arrived. She learned to verify seller reviews and use secure payment platforms, later teaching classmates about online safety. Case 2. Mobile money fraud. Kwame, a 25-year-old entrepreneur in Ghana, shared his mobile wallet PIN with a friend. Money was stolen. He now emphasizes secure transactions in his business and teaches youth about safeguarding digital finances. Case 3. Ethical consumption advocacy. Aisha, 28, runs a small eco-friendly fashion business. She educates young customers about fair trade sourcing, reducing counterfeit products, and making responsible purchasing decisions. Section 9. Consumer awareness around the world. Africa. Mobile money and informal markets dominate youth spending. Awareness campaigns target online scams, counterfeit goods, and mobile fraud. Asia. High penetration of digital payments. Youth face risks from online scams and predatory loans. Europe and North America. Credit cards and subscriptions are common sources of financial mismanagement. Consumer protection laws are stronger, but awareness of rights is still essential. Latin America. E-commerce growth introduces risks of counterfeit goods. Community education initiatives help young people navigate marketplaces safely. Section 10. Practical exercises for young leaders. Consumer awareness audit. Track all your purchases for 1 month, noting whether they were informed, safe, and ethical. Classroom simulation. Divide students into businesses and consumers and simulate ethical and unethical transactions. Community project. Organize a campaign to educate parents and youth about safe online shopping and mobile money. Digital safety checklist. Create a checklist for students to follow when buying online or using digital wallets. Conclusion. Consumer awareness and financial rights are essential skills for young people aged 18 to 35. In a rapidly evolving world, understanding your rights, recognizing risks, and making informed decisions are as crucial as earning or saving money. For financial literacy leaders, teaching students and communities about these topics ensures a generation that spends wisely and safely, recognizes and avoids scams, supports ethical businesses, exercises their rights confidently. By mastering this module, you not only protect yourself but also empower others to become responsible and financially savvy.